How to fix split keyboard on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix the split keyboard on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you might have simply actually turned on split keyboard. So let me show you what the issue is. If I went ahead and you can see that my keyboard has actually been divided into two, which basically means that it has been split. So first of all, in order to fix this is very simple. All you have to do is long press on this bottom right icon, which you see. Long press on it, and then you can see this option which says merge. So tap on the merge option, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to fix a split keyboard. So if you want to split it again, long press on it and then select floating or split or any of these examples over here. To change the mode, again long press on the similar icon and then change it to whatever you want to do right over here. As you can see, now basically you could go ahead and then simply drag this according to your own wish. But let's say that you want to actually prevent this from happening in the future again, because you don't really want this kind of keyboard to be split between two parts. In that case, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and then launch the settings app. Once you launch the settings app, on the left hand side you want to make sure that you are under the general tab, and as soon as you make sure that you are under the general tab, on the right hand side you have to scroll and look for the option called keyboard. So tap on keyboard once you find it, and as soon as you tap on keyboard, you'll be able to see a list of all these options over here. So all you have to do is right over here you'll find this button which is split keyboard. What you have to do is you have to turn off this toggle next to split keyboard, and that will prevent your keyboard from splitting in the future. And this is how you can fix split keyboard on iPad. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.